Credit card, loan, savings account, lahat ng yan pwede mo ma-check out sa official BPI flagship store on Lazada. Ayaw mo maniwala? Hi BPI! Legit po ba yung BPI sa Lazada? Not gonna lie, actually kahit ako di makapaniwala nung una, pero pwedeng-pwede na kayong mag-apply para sa iba't ibang BPI products on Lazada. From credit card, loans, and savings account, lahat ng yan mahahanap ninyo sa official flagship store ng BPI on Lazada. Just add to cart and checkout like usual, wait for an email, and that's it. Sobrang simple lang to apply. Kung di pa kayo convinced, wait till you hear this. Every checkout and approved application comes with Lazada gift cards that you can use to get discounts on your next purchase. Yes, bawat approved application yan. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, dito na ako mag-a-apply sa Lazada. Sobrang convenient, sobrang dali, at may kasamang Lazada gift cards pa. So what are you waiting for? Visit BPI's official flagship store on Lazada to apply.